Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. Today we'll talk about concatenate, which is again the part of text series. So in Excel, concatenate function, short for concatenate, combines text from multiple cells or ranges into a single cell. But unlike the older concatenate function, it doesn't allow for adding delimiter like spaces or commas between the combined text. Alright. So this is the short form of it, of the definition. Combines text from ranges into a single cell. So let's use it. Equals concat bracket cell reference 1 comma cell reference 2 bracket close, hit enter. So that is Microsoft Word. Together it has come, and you can see there is no space in between. So in case of space you want to give, then in that case you have to do like concat, hit tab, cell reference 1 comma quote, that is double quote open, give spawn space, then again close, comma cell reference 2, close the bracket, hit enter. So you can see there is one space now. So that's all about today, folks. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.